We're in the middle of Kentucky. And when I say the middle, smack dab in the middle. We are in the beautiful town of Somerset. It has the nation's largest man-made lake, Lake Cumberland. I'm super excited to meet Jason and Jennifer, my newest winners. They currently live in Cincinnati, which is about 4 or 5 hours away. And he wants to move down here and be closer to family and be closer to that glorious lake that everyone wants to be on. So I'm excited to be here, and I'm excited that it's winter, because if it looks this gorgeous during the winter time, I can't imagine what it looks like the rest of the year.
Come on.
It's snowing! Look at this!
Snowing!
Oh my God, I love it. It's nice to see you. Oh my gosh. I love that you guys brought the snow. This is amazing. Shall we go in and talk about your fabulousness?
Yes.
Let me get the door for you. Good thing I brought my furs. It is cold. Well, it's snowing, it's beautiful. I love it. I was ready for some cooler weather.
Well, you got it.
I got it, I know, right? All right, so you came into some money.
A little bit.
How?
Scratch off.
Scratch off.
Is that a normal thing for you?
No, I never buy scratch offs. I'll buy like Powerball and Mega Millions if the jackpot gets high.
Why'd you decide to do a scratch off?
Instinct said do it. So I did it. And I go home.
I scratched it off, and then it said 5 MIL. And I'm saying, Jason, what does this mean? What does this mean?
$5 million.
$5 million.
Ding, 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 ding.
Do you have kids?
We have
They're
2
grown.
grown kids.
Oh,
Our
okay,
older
well.
one lives with us.
Of course.
And she's got a son, so we've got her and the grandbaby with us.
Congratulations, Grandma and
So-
Grandpa.
It's like starting over.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, dream house time. Give it to me.
4 bedrooms, at least.
Yeah, 4 bedrooms.
Bigger the better.
3 plus
Yeah.
a bath and a couple
3
of
bathrooms, big kitchen. I'd love a dining room, because our hope is that, you know, people will come visit us because we'll be
You want the hub
on a
of the
lake
house.
town. Yes.
Are we going on the lake? Are we going on Lake Cumberland?
Close to the lake.
Okay.
We did buy a boat.
So we should look on the lake.
Yes.
But it all depends on what your budget's gonna be,
Yeah.
Mr. 5 million. What are we doing?
What are we doing?
I think 4 to 5.
Okay, are we flexible at all with that 5?
No, I mean, that's a good
Good range?
Whatever
range.
she wants.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I love that. You guys ready for this journey?
We're ready.
Tammy knocked it out of the park with so many gorgeous homes to choose from. So the first beauty I want to show Jason and Jennifer is Barton Booth, just 10 minutes from the lake. It's got such a cool family vibe, great holiday vibe, great entertainment vibe. There are a few projects here and there, but they're just cosmetic. It's something that we'll have to update later. How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
I'm cold, but it gives me the excuse to break out my pink fur. What do you think of this house?
I like the stone.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what that says? Expensive. So let me tell you a little bit about Barton Booth. It's got 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Yes. It's huge at 3,760 square feet.
Wow.
Sits on 1 delicious acre, as you can see. It's just absolutely stunning. The price is right at the top of your budget at $499,000.
Okay. Okay.
Okay with that?
Yes.
Of course
Yes.
you are.
Of course she is.
I'm sure if she gave me like a 750, she'd be like, I'm good with that too.
Forget about it.
You guys ready for this?
Yes.
I am too. I'm really ready to get out of the cold. Here we go. Come on in.
Oh. Wow. This is so nice.
But let's take our jackets off.
Okay.
Let's get comfy. Lovely. All right, shall we?
Yes.
All right, so walking right into a huge living room. It has an incredible view.
Yes.
Obviously, it's up more as a formal living room, but could turn this into a family room. I mean, it's right off the dining room and the kitchen, so it's perfect
Love it.
proximity.
It's very warm, like family, cozy.
Right?
Yeah.
Kind of gives you a warm hug
Yes.
when you walk in, right?
Yes.
Jennifer can host every family holiday here in the dining room and cook it all just next door. And here is our kitchen.
The island that you
I
wanted.
love it. I want an island. I love the
Good.
island.
So tell me about what your kitchen is like right now.
It's galley. It's a 1-butt kitchen.
One butt.
1 butt.
I've never
That's
heard
what
that
you said.
before.
There's only room for one butt in here. Everybody
Yes.
else-
Lots of butts can be happening
Lots of
in
butts
here.
can be in here, yes.
It's a very warm kitchen. Would you change the cabinet color here?
I mean, ideally, I would love a white kitchen just because I like the bright
Yeah.
in the kitchen.
If you wanted to paint the kitchen cabinets a nice white color, I'd do a little bit on the creamy side, and then you brighten up your kitchen, gives it a whole new life.
Yeah.
All right, so this next one is my favorite room in the house, and you'll understand why when you get in
Okay.
there. You're not gonna want to leave. This room is incredibly special. Look at it.
Love the fireplace.
I love
Isn't
the
it
library.
great?
Yes.
Love the
The
library.
whole house has a holiday vibe,
It does.
you know? I'm gonna stay here, and I'm gonna send you guys upstairs. Just kidding. Let's go look in the bedrooms.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna fall asleep here pretty soon. It's so cozy. At the top of the stairs is the guest bathroom, next to the first guest bedroom. You guys ready to see the main bedroom?
Wow, this is
Oh
one
my
bedroom.
gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
It goes over
wow.
there, too.
Take a look around. Yeah, go.
Wow.
Go, 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 go. Do your thing.
You could make this like a dressing area.
Oh,
Mirrors.
So for
so
you-
basically
dressed
you want a
over here.
closet.
Yeah.
Chandelier, have one of those really fancy, like French things that you throw all around.
Yes, absolutely.
There's a fancy ensuite too, so Jason and Jennifer will get plenty of privacy. That leaves the enormous basement for their daughter and grandson.
Oh, wow.
Is this crazy?
Huge.
It has 2 identical bedrooms and a shared bathroom. So you guys ready to brave the elements?
If we have to.
Let's go grab our coats, and I want to walk the property line so you can see how big an acre is.
Okay.
All right.
Most of the yard is out front, but there's a gorgeous back patio too. Can you imagine this when it's all green?
Oh, I know.
Or it's all
gonna be beautiful.
leaf changing. Like
Yeah.
it's got to be insane.
Yeah.
So if
Yes.
it looks pretty in the winter, then it's gonna look stunning
Exactly.
all year round.
Yes.
All right. So, do you guys like the property?
Yeah.
I do. I
Total-
like the whole area, the whole neighborhood here.
We're at the top of your budget.
Yes. So maybe something a little bit lower
Okay.
on the budget.
Uh-huh.
Maybe something a little newer.
Okay. Something a little more contemporary.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Let's walk the property, but when I say that, I'm saying we're gonna walk the property towards our cars.
Okay.
It's cold.
Cool.
Let's take the long way around. We're gonna do this. Oh, she's doing it. She's doing it. She's doing it. Hello, Lake Cumberland. I'm obsessed. It is a beautiful part of the country. And that is why I brought them to Perry Park. It sits on 1.2 acres, and the price is delightful. $430,000. What? Cutie pie.
Hello.
Millionaires, millionaires. I'm a multimillionaire. House, give me your thoughts.
Very cute.
It's only 11 minutes to the marina.
I love that you timed it.
Yeah.
You guys want to hear about it?
Yes.
All right, so Perry Park, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,600 square feet, sits on 1.2 acres.
Nice.
Lots of space. You guys want to hear the price?
Yes.
You asked for a little bit more inexpensive, and I delivered $430,000.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Now, is it
Love
completely
that.
move-in ready? Yes. Will there be some cosmetic changes in the future? 100%, but much less than yesterday.
Okay.
Come on in, guys. Do you like formal
I
living
do.
rooms?
I do, yeah.
Yeah.
Great. It's great that it's right off the separate dining area.
Yes.
So, dark table, which I love, which leads us into these beautiful dark wood cabinets. I know you wanted white.
Yeah.
And you can still have them. I would strip all that down and then bleach it, and it'll come out almost white. And you'll have a natural look that's casual, and you'll see the wood grain, and it's absolutely stunning. Showcase it.
I like it.
Eden kitchen here.
Yeah. Love it.
But look at the space, you guys.
Wow.
And look at this. So many banisters.
Yes.
Here we go. So we have a half bath over here.
Nice.
And here is our
Oh
main bedroom.
my.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
It's like a whole house right here.
Yes.
Go check out the bathroom.
Wow.
Wow.
This is nice. I like that the sinks are next to each other
That
as
is
opposed
nice.
to yesterday.
Yeah.
Love,
Love
it.
it.
Want to
Yeah.
go check out the other bedrooms upstairs?
Yes.
Let's hoof it. Just like yesterday, there are 2 guest bedrooms upstairs and a guest bathroom, perfect for their daughter and grandson while they finish work on the giant basement. Lots of downstairs. This part is almost finished, which is
Wow.
great. And this is technically the 4th bedroom. 'cause
Ooh.
It has a closet.
Yeah.
That's a big space.
This is a huge space.
Family
Huge
room.
space.
Yeah.
But I think the best part of this house is out here. Look at this beautiful wraparound screened-in porch.
Oh, this is amazing.
I mean,
Yeah.
when those leaves come, you're not going to see anybody.
No.
Fine by me.
Yeah.
Fine by me.
Here we go. All right, so continues all the way over here.
Definitely a lot of house.
You love the property. I know
Love
you
it.
love the price.
Love it.
Yes.
Tomorrow, come on, give me something. Give me a challenge.
Well, we didn't ask for it, but what about a lake view?
Let's see what I got.
Okay.
I might have something for
Look
you.
forward to it.
Let's get out of here. Hot cocoa's in order. Don't you think?
Of course.
Can you grab some for me then? So if you're coming down here to Lake Cumberland, to be around Lake Cumberland, why not have a view? Blue Jack Barrel is an amazing house right on Lake Cumberland. It's still underpriced at $484,000, and the marina is right there. Now, will it take you 10 minutes to get there? Absolutely, but at least you can see it. Hello, hello.
Hello.
The weather just keeps getting better for us,
Every
doesn't
day
it?
better.
It's nice.
More
Yes.
snow on the ground. Hey,
I know.
you wanted a view.
That is a view.
That is a view.
Are you guys ready to hear about Blue Jack Barrel?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, it's got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
Good.
It's our smallest home, but it's almost 2,300 square feet.
Okay.
The price is right in your wheelhouse at $484,000.
Okay.
Oh, wow, for this view?
I know, you're welcome. Should we go check it out?
Yes.
Let's get out of the cold, shall
Okay.
we? I would love to see some ivy growing up here, you know?
Yeah.
Be absolutely gorgeous. All right, here we go. All right, guys, come on in.
Ooh.
Very different floor plan.
Different.
Yep.
Yes.
We've got a lot going on down here, and it's all beautifully done. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house.
Oh, wow.
Isn't this great?
Love
The
the
fireplace.
fireplace.
Fireplace is so nice. Hello, stockings.
Yes.
Hello,
stockings.
holidays.
Yes. Oh, amazing.
To me, this is where you would have TV, chill.
This would definitely be a family room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys want to see some bedrooms?
Yes.
All right. Haley and Colton will be super happy down here. There's a full bathroom and a fabulous bedroom.
That's a nice view.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh, just wait till we get upstairs. Jason and Jennifer's domain is upstairs, and it's just as cozy. I didn't get you just one fireplace.
Oh, wow.
I got
Another
you two.
fireplace. Nice.
This is so pretty.
Isn't this great?
It is.
Dining area is right here as well.
Yes.
It's not a separate dining area, but it has the ability to take this table and extend it all the way down there when you're entertaining.
Love it.
And that's
of people.
important, yeah.
Yes.
Let's go in the kitchen. We have not seen a true open floor plan at all, just because a lot of people like to keep the integrity of the house, and I think it's really sweet.
Yeah.
There's another full guest bathroom up here, and 2 very generous guest bedrooms. But the best view of the lake is from the main suite.
Nice.
Nice.
Right?
And there.
And there.
Wow.
The lake view in your bedroom.
In your
In your
bedroom.
bedroom.
Can't beat it.
You can't. Why'd you guys go check out the bathroom?
I love
It is
the
nice.
window.
I like
It's
the
nice
mirror.
and bright. That's beautiful.
And then you go from one water to the next.
You're just so
Yeah.
focused on the water.
Am I?
A little
you
bit.
pick that up?
Let's go check out the view.
Wow. That was grand.
Well,
It's a grand view.
It's a grand
Yes.
view. It is. It really, really is.
Wow.
Look at this.
That is
It's amazing.
amazing.
Obviously, we have a nice opening here, which is wonderful. It will close up just a little bit with all the leaves on it, but you'll still have a beautiful view of
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
How is it not going to be great? Goodbye, Cincinnati.
Goodbye, Cincinnati.
Hello, lake life.
Yes.
Did you guys like the houses that we picked out?
Loved them.
All of them.
Good.
Yes.
Tell me everything that you guys loved about Barton Booth.
The house was huge.
Over 3,700
Yeah.
square feet.
It had the 2 bedrooms downstairs in the basement.
It was at the very top of your price range,
Yes.
and that was worrisome because you're trying to make your $5 million
Yes.
last
Yeah. And then make
for a
it
long
your
time,
own.
you know?
Yes.
So Perry Park was an amazing house.
Yes, the trees surrounding the property.
That screened-in porch, the wraparound porch, was amazing. I loved the vaulted ceilings, skylights,
All had 4 bedrooms, but this was the only house that had first floor living.
first floor living.
And your daughter can have the
Basement. Yes.
But you came down here for the lake. Blue Jack Barrel. What an amazing view.
Yes.
All but one room had a view to that lake.
Yeah.
Even the basement had a lake view.
Yeah.
It's the smallest house, but it definitely was the most finished. Like 2,300 square feet. That's a big difference. That's 1,000 square feet plus.
Yeah.
Right.
It must be hard to really weigh down those options
It
and
is.
really figure it out. I'm dying to know which one felt like home to both of you.
Well, I know which one felt like home to me.
Oh, I know which one felt like home.
So where are we going?
Perry Park.
You're not going to the lake.
No.
I'm really shocked. Tell me why.
The vaulted ceilings, I think, won me over.
You got all the space, the privacy, and the lake nearby. So
Yeah.
that's the one that met all the criteria.
I love that house. I really do. I mean, it's huge.
We're excited.
Somerset's a very lucky town.
Yeah.
Give me some love.